Join us on a captivating journey across Italy, where we'll uncover the enduring legacy of the Colosseum's ancient grandeur. Glide along the enchanting canals of Venice and marvel at the architectural wonder of Pisa's Leaning Tower. From the sun-drenched Amalfi Coast to the serene Tuscan countryside, we'll explore the timeless allure of Italy's landscapes and cities. Visit the Colosseum. Embrace the echoes of gladiators and roaring crowds with a visit to Rome's Colosseum, the ultimate emblem of ancient Roman power. As you traverse the arena, envision the spectacles of bygone eras. From ferocious battles to grandiose performances, the Colosseum's colossal structure, despite centuries of wear, stands as a testament to Roman engineering prowess. Delve into history with a guided tour to uncover the secrets of the amphitheater's underground chambers and complex architecture. No trip to Rome is complete without witnessing the majestic Colosseum under the golden hues of sunset. Take a gondola ride in Venice. Gliding through Venice's winding canals on a gondola is an intimate dance with the city's soul. The serenade of the gondolier and the gentle splash of water set the rhythm for an unforgettable journey. Pass under historic bridges and beside palatial buildings, each with stories etched into their facades. A gondola ride at dusk transforms the experience, as the day's bustle yields to tranquility and the lights reflect off the canals, offering a magical view of the floating city that resonates with romance and history. See the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Marvel at the architectural curiosity that is the Leaning Tower of Pisa. This freestanding bell tower, famous for its unintended tilt, defies gravity and expectations. As you climb the spiraling staircases, each step brings a sense of suspense. From the top, the panoramic view of Pisa's Piazza dei Miracoli is captivating. The tower's history is as layered as its construction, a narrative of medieval opulence, engineering missteps, and modern-day preservation triumphs, securing its place as a must-see monument. Explore the ruins of Pompeii. Journey back to AD 79 as you walk through the haunting ruins of Pompeii, frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius. The ash-preserved city offers an unparalleled window into ancient life. The stillness of the ruins is profound. From the villas adorned with frescoes to the eerie voids left by vanished bodies, Pompeii resonates with the power of nature and the fragility of civilization. It's an archaeological treasure trove that connects us viscerally to our past. Admire art in the Uffizi Gallery. The Uffizi Gallery in Florence is a treasure trove of Renaissance masterpieces. Stroll through corridors lined with the works of Michelangelo, Leonardo, and Botticelli. The Birth of Venus alone is worth the visit, its ethereal beauty capturing the essence of humanist ideals. Beyond art, the gallery's windows offer scenic views of the Arno River and Ponte Vecchio, framing the city's beauty as yet another work of art. Savor the flavors of authentic Italian cuisine. Embark on a culinary adventure and savor Italy's gastronomic soul. From the creamy risottos of the north to the zesty pastas of the south, each region serves up its heritage on a plate. Sample street foods like arancini and gelato, or indulge in a slow meal at a trattoria, where the wine flows as freely as the conversation. Italian cuisine is a festival of regional flavors, traditional methods, and fresh local ingredients that celebrate Italy's rich agricultural bounty. Visit the Vatican City. The Vatican City, a sovereign state within Rome, is the spiritual nucleus for billions of Catholics. Beyond its religious significance, the Vatican museums are a repository of art and history. The Sistine Chapel, with Michelangelo's ceiling, is a universe painted in fresco, while St. Peter's Basilica stands as a colossal tribute to faith and artistry. Whether for prayer or exploration, the Vatican's aura is palpable. Wander through Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre is a colorful string of 5 fishing villages perched along the Italian Riviera, linked by walking paths, like the famous Via dell'Amore. These cliffside hamlets are a harmonious blend of nature and human habitation. Explore vineyards, olive groves, and terraced hills that plunge into the Mediterranean. Cinque Terre is an idyllic escape that embodies the good life. Drive the Amalfi Coast. Navigate the serpentine roads of the Amalfi Coast for breathtaking vistas of craggy cliffs and sparkling blue waters. Each turn unveils picturesque villages and lemon groves, with stops like Positano and Amalfi offering a taste of seaside glamour. The drive itself is an exhilarating experience that mirrors the dramatic landscape. Relax in the Tuscan countryside. The rolling hills of Tuscany are draped with vineyards and dotted with medieval towns. Stay at an agriturismo farm stay to truly experience the region's rustic charm. Tuscany's landscape is a canvas painted with rows of cypress trees, ancient farmhouses, and verdant vineyards. It's a place where time slows and the finer things in life are savored. Attend the opera in Verona. Verona's ancient Roman arena transforms into a grand open-air opera house each summer. Attending a performance here is not just a cultural experience, but a plunge into history. The stone seats and walls, once spectators to gladiatorial combat, now resonate with the high notes of arias and the rapture of audiences. It's an enchanting experience that marries the grandiosity of opera with the immortality of Roman architecture. Explore the lakes of northern Italy. Italy's northern lakes, like Como, Garda, and Maggiore, are framed by alpine vistas and elegant villas. These tranquil waters have been a playground for the aristocracy and celebrities for centuries. Take a leisurely boat tour to appreciate the serene beauty, or engage in various water sports. Each lake has its own charm and is a perfect spot for relaxation and reflection. Visit the island of Sicily. Sicily, the Mediterranean's largest island, is a crossroads of civilizations. Its complex history is visible in the Greek temples of Agrigento, the Norman mosaics of Palermo's Palatine Chapel, and the Baroque splendor of Noto. The island also boasts stunning natural beauty, from the rugged coastline to the fiery majesty of Mount Etna. Sicily offers a taste of Italy with a distinct flavor all its own. Hike in the Dolomites. The Dolomites offer some of Europe's most stunning mountain landscapes, summer and winter alike. The towering peaks provide the perfect setting for hiking, skiing, and mountaineering. The region also has a unique culture with Latin traditions, offering a blend of Italian warmth and Austrian charm. Marvel at the mosaics in Ravenna. Ravenna's mosaics are a cascade of color and a pinnacle of Byzantine art. The churches and baptisteries display stories in glittering tiles that have illuminated the city for centuries. These mosaics aren't just decorations. They're a testament to Ravenna's historical importance and a gateway to understanding early Christian art. Witness the Palio di Siena. The Palio di Siena is not just a horse race. It's a centuries-old tradition that turns the city into a vibrant tapestry of colors, emotions, and communal identity. Held in the shell-shaped Piazza del Campo, the Palio is the embodiment of Sieni's culture and spirit, where 10 horses and riders, bareback and adorned in the colors of the city's districts, compete for glory in a frenzied dash that lasts just over a minute. Soak in the hot springs of Saturnia. Saturnia's thermal springs are Tuscany's natural spas, with mineral-rich waters cascading into soothing pools. The steaming water works its healing magic amidst a landscape that feels timeless. It's an oasis where wellness and nature intertwine, offering respite for the body and the soul. Step back in time in Matera. Matera's ancient cave dwellings, known as sassi, are a labyrinthine ensemble of houses, churches, monasteries, and hermitages hewn from the rock. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities, provides an unforgettable journey through a troglodyte landscape, reflecting thousands of years of human history. Attend a festival or carnival. Italians are masters of celebration, and their festivals and carnivals are a kaleidoscope of history, culture, and fun. Venice's Carnival is a feast for the senses with elaborate masks and costumes. Discover the art of Florence. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, is an open-air museum. Stroll through the historical center to admire Brunelleschi's dome on the Duomo, the marbles of Giotto's bell tower, and the statues of the Loggia Diamanzi. Sample wine in Chianti. The Chianti region, nestled between Florence and Siena, is synonymous with its world-renowned wine. Vineyard visits and wine tastings are essential experiences, offering insight into the art of winemaking and the subtleties of terroir. The Chianti landscape, with its rolling hills and medieval villages, is as exquisite as the robust reds it produces. Experience the nightlife in Milan. Milan, Italy's fashion and financial capital, also boasts a vibrant nightlife. From the chic bars of the Navigli district to the bustling clubs in Corso Como, the city comes alive at night. The Milanese aperitivo, an evening ritual of cocktails and appetizers, is the perfect prelude to a night out. This cosmopolitan city offers a slice of Italian La Vita Notturna with a stylish twist, making it a haven for night owls and partygoers. Bask on the beaches of Sardinia. Sardinia's coastline is a mosaic of azure waters and white sandy beaches, rivaling the Caribbean. The Costa Smeralda is a stretch of luxury and natural beauty, a favorite amongst the jet set. Go truffle hunting in Piedmont. Piedmont is home to the elusive white truffle, a culinary diamond. Joining a truffle hunt with a local truffle hunter, and his trusty dog is a unique and earthy adventure. The region also tempts with its Barolo and Barbaresco wines, making it an Epicurean's delight. Visit the cliffside towns of the Aeolian Islands. The Aeolian Islands, off the coast of Sicily, are 7 jewels in the Tyrrhenian Sea. Lipari, Stromboli, or Salina. Each island has its own character, but all are united by a rugged charm and volcanic origin. Whether it's climbing the active Stromboli volcano or bathing in the thermal waters of Volcano, these islands offer an off-the-beaten-path Italian experience amidst dramatic landscapes and ancient settlements. Completing the list of 25 must-visit places and activities in Italy. If this immersive journey has sparked your wanderlust, show some love by hitting that thumbs up, share it with your fellow explorers, and of course, don't forget to subscribe with the bell icon for more detailed travel insights and videos. Thank you for joining us on this expansive odyssey, and until next time, safe travels and goodbye.